welcome back to my channel, Deconstrut. Today I thought it would be fun to do a nail art tutorial, get into that holiday spirit with something a bit more seasonably appropriate, seeing as my nails have just smiley faces all over them. I mean, they're super cute, I love them, but my nails are in a dire need of an update. So before we get started on our nail art tutorial, we do have a partner for today, and that is Luisa, and they were kind enough to send over a few pieces for me to try out and to show you guys, and I think these would be great pieces for the upcoming holiday season, whether or not it's to treat yourself or to treat someone else. They have really great high quality pieces and they're all at a pretty affordable price. So I ended up picking out 3 pieces from their collection. So I got these Sia earrings. They are little dainty gold safety pin earrings. I always wanted a pair of safety pin earrings, but in gold, because I think it classes it up and makes it look a little bit more elevated, but still super edgy. I love how simple these are, and I'll try them on for you guys. I've already worn them. I just put them back in the package for showing you guys so you guys can see how they come. Maybe I have fat earlobes, I don't know, but I find I need to like stretch them a bit, push the pin part a bit to widen it so then I can slip it through my ear. But yeah, so that's one side, and then we'll do the other side. I just love how simple these are. They just go with everything. I'm like obsessed, actually obsessed with ear stacking, like constellation piercings and stuff like that. So I'm always on the hunt for super high quality ear pieces that I can wear with my other piercings. Honestly, these are not your usual earrings, so they're a bit more difficult to put in. I think they're super cute. They look great with my other piercings. And I think it just brings like a little bit of edge to them. Sometimes I'll wear both of them on this ear, like in the second hole and in the first one, and then add a larger hoop on this side to balance out the dangliness. And I think it looks super cute. So I love these. These were actually the first things I saw on Ana Luisa's website before they even reached out to me, that I was like, I really want to buy these. And I was just super lucky that they ended up sending them to me. So thank you. One of the other pieces I picked up was this rope slim ring, super cute and dainty. It's very reminiscent of all those like French girl vibes that I've seen a lot of people styling. And I chose the thin one. They do have a thick version. Chose the thin one because I find for my fingers, I have really skinny fingers and anything bigger would look really overwhelming, but I like wearing this one on my index finger like so. Excuse the nails, that is why we're gonna be painting them in a minute, but it looks pretty cute. So the rope slim ring that I have right here is 14 karat gold plated on brass. Super nice piece, and I believe it retails for $74 Canadian. And the last piece I got this necklace. This is their Vida necklace. It is a tiny V with little cubic zirconias in it on a very fine chain. So this is what it looks like. Super dainty, comes with an extension chain and a nameplate that says Ana Luisa on it. It's also sterling silver with 14K carat plating. It's one of their more expensive pieces on the website, but I think the quality is definitely reflected in it. It's super dainty and pretty with like the little stones in the front. I think it's adorable. I'm gonna be wearing this nonstop this whole entire holiday season. Actually, all of these pieces, they look great. Thank you again, Ana Luisa, for sending over those pieces. And I honestly will be checking out their holiday sale, which is buy one, get one 40% off, as I do already have my eyes on a few other pieces. And I'll have a link in the description box below. Be sure to click on that, and I'll leave the names of every single piece that I showed you guys in this video. I've been rambling enough. I think it's time to get our nails holiday ready so they can match the rest of our holiday and put together vibes. So let's get started on those nails. First things first, we gotta take off our smiley faces. Regular old nail polish remover here in a cotton round. My nails have gotten super long. These are all like my natural nails. They're insanely long, almost to the point where they're kind of impractical at this point. There we go, nails are all prepped and cleaned. I think I'm just gonna shape them quickly off camera and then we'll be back to start painting. Now that my nails are nice and prepped and shaped, I'm going to be taking just a base coat. I'm using Deborah Lippmann's Turn Back Time, and I'm just going to paint a thin layer all over my nails. Okay, next we're going to be doing our base color. The color I'm using today is Blush Petal from Sally Hansen's Color Therapy line. It's just like a nice nude, medium tone nude with this slight pink in it. And I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this. So now that we have our accent colors picked out for the plaid, I'm going to be using this white color. This is Coconut Cove by Essie. And for the red, I'm going to be using Russian Roulette, also by Essie. And then the last and final color, instead of black, I'm using this Charcoal Metallic by Zoya. This is called Claudine. So those are my 3 accent colors. And we're first going to start off with the white. So I'm actually going to take my Ana Luisa card that my necklace came on. Might as well reuse it right now for this purpose, and I'm gonna put some of the white nail polish onto the card, and then taking my nail art brush. This is a super fine tip one. You can see it's kind of stained. Well loved. And you can pick up a pack of these on Amazon or AliExpress for super cheap, or even at nail art stores. I've seen them around and stuff. And we're just gonna dip it in and start drawing some white lines on our nails. So you're just gonna wanna drag it along the nail as evenly as possible. The white is kind of where you can like mess up a little bit. And you want to do 2 lines beside each other, like so. And it's okay if you screw up on this part because you will be going over with the darker color later on to separate these 2 lines. Kind of going on the outer third section of the nail. So once you've done the vertical lines, we're going to do the horizontal lines this way. And you're just going to want to do the exact same thing, but going across the nail. This is how your nails should kind of look once the white lines have been placed on your nails. They're already looking so cute. Next, we're gonna take our darkest color a little bit onto our cardstock right here. And with a super steady hand, you're gonna be drawing a line in the middle of the 2 white lines and then on the outside of the 2 white lines. So you're gonna wanna make the lines thinner if possible. And then you're also gonna wanna draw them going in the other direction to frame the horizontal white lines as well. So it'll look something like that. You can always go back and fix up any parts. Like this is a little close for my liking, so I might go back and put in some white. But you're just gonna wanna repeat that on all the nails. There's all the black lines finished and kind of frame the white. You can definitely go back in with the white polish to clean up any of the lines if they're a little bit uneven or they're too thick. So this nail art is actually like pretty quick and easy to finish, but it creates such a statement. I love it. We'll just let this dry off a little bit and then we'll come back to do the red. So just dabbing a little bit of red, taking our cleaned off nail art brush So we're just adding a very fine red line down the open side of the plaid pattern. And then you also want to do a matching horizontal line going across the bottom, like so, to complete the look. All that is left is just a nice quick dry top coat on these nails, and these will be good to go. I will be finishing my right hand off camera. That's a wrap on this nail art tutorial. I think the plaid turned out really nice and cute. I think it looks really classy. I don't think you can go wrong with kind of like a Burberry inspired check. It's always gonna look fabulous. And thank you to Ana Luisa for sending over these beautiful pieces. I love them. I'm definitely gonna be wearing them all the time. If you wanna pick up something for yourself or gift it for the holidays, now is a great time to do it because Ana Luisa is having their holiday sale, buy one, get one 40% off. So I'll have a link down below. Be sure to click it and you can go purchase yourself something nice or purchase something for a friend. I hope you guys enjoyed the nail art tutorial and the Ana Luisa unboxing. I know it's not my usual DIY sewing video, but nail art is still DIY in my mind. And it's just something I do for myself, and I thought it'd be fun to just film it and show you guys. Happy holidays, everybody. Hope everybody is staying safe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye!